Hello, everybody. So I'm excited, and it's also a lot of responsibility. So for my Pantry Club members, I will be showing you guys my before and after kitchen organization. I say it's a lot of responsibility because it means I have to actually do it. So when Tom and I moved into our new house, we decided to we just literally put stuff in cupboards to get it out of boxes. And plus, we also wanted to live in the house for a couple months to see what dishes, what things we actually use, and which ones we don't. So we moved in late November. So now it's the perfect time to really organize the kitchen because we have an idea of what we use and what we don't. So I had picked up a couple things from the dollar store. So this is dollar store organization. But you can't get everything at the dollar store. The rest I'm going to get from Amazon. And I say Amazon because I have looked at Walmart, I have looked at the Bay, and it's more expensive. But let me show you my dollar store purchases first. So if you guys look on Amazon, which I had actually found this idea from Amazon first, they have what's called a universal lid. So you probably have tons of pots and pans where you're always constantly looking for the correct lid. Plus, why have 7 lids when you can just have 1 or maybe 2? Because this obviously isn't a one size fits all, but it's going to fit a lot of different pans. It says here it can go up to 21 centimeters, 24 centimeters, and then 25 centimeters. So this will take away 3 lids, at least probably more, right, from your kitchen. Because how many lids do you have that are the same size or very similar? So this is really exciting. This is the only size that they had at the dollar store, but for $4, I'll take it. Actually, let me pause the video. I'm going to show you guys the Amazon link that I had found so that I can show you guys the actual prices. So hold that thought. Okay, guys, thank you for waiting. So I actually picked up a couple links here, but I'm going to share my screen first since I was talking about the universal pan for $4 from the dollar store. Let me share my screen and show you what I found from Amazon. So I was actually going to buy one from Amazon first. So as an example, approximately the same size, let's just say this one here, $19.99. Why not pay $4? But if you guys do need a certain size, they have different sizes here. So it does really depend on the size that you need, but I will leave the links for you guys on the bottom for everything anyway, so you guys can have a look on your own too, okay? So let me stop sharing my screen again. Okay, guys, so round 2, which I actually didn't get from Amazon, or I didn't look on Amazon. So this is another one. So kitchen storage. Why do I like this? Because you can hang it on the inside of your cupboard, okay? Or sorry, cupboard, the drawer, cupboard drawer. Oh my goodness, I always get them mixed up. Is this for, okay, cabinet. Let's just say cabinet, okay? I'm not the only one who mixes them up. You do it too, I'm sure, right? So look, you guys, $3.50. This will hang on the inside of your cabinet door. Wasted space if you don't, utilize it. Check it out. So I'm really excited for this one. This one, even if you tried to find it on Amazon, would be more expensive for sure. So just go to the dollar store. Okay, I have a couple other things too. I just don't know where to put all my stuff. I'm going to put it at the edge here. So this one's pretty funny. Check this out. So this is like a multi-functional shelf organizer. Very, very handy. Let me tell you, you do not know that you need one until you have one. There's even a picture here to show you guys. So definitely different uses for $2.50. I'll take it, right? Let me show you guys again. I'm going to share my screen here because I found some different shelf organizers off of Amazon. Can you guys see this? So this one looks very simple, right? I'd say it kind of looks like this one, doesn't it? For $15.77. So are you going to spend $3.50 or $15.77? What do you think? You are saving a fortune. Thank you. You are welcome. You are saving a fortune. But let's say you did want a different size, okay? It's kind of nice to see the different sizes that they do offer, but a little tip for you guys, even if you wanted something longer. So let's say you wanted this one. Just buy 2 of these, okay? You will save money. buy 2 of these instead of one for like $18 from the dollar store. I know, genius. I will definitely pick up more. I wasn't sure how many I needed, but it was kind of one of those things where I was trying to not buy too much from the dollar store, so I just bought the one. But this one is the most exciting of them all. So I did actually buy a few of these. So these are my spice rack organizers. And once again, I had gotten the idea from Amazon. I just saw these at the dollar store. I like these because you put them inside your cabinet, okay? Right there. You just put them inside the cabinet and your spices just sort of sit up like this. I prefer to have it inside something than to have it like up top because I just like to be able to pull it out and then be able to see them. But that's just me. Nice, eh? But let me share my screen and show you guys what I was looking at in the first place from Amazon. So I was actually looking at this one. So see this one here for $13.49. It looks the same, just smaller. So why not get 2 of these? The same size as one of those. But as you guys can see how just so much easier this is. But again, this one is more for standing up. This one is for laying inside. So it kind of depends on what you want, but this one's only $4 each. Whoops, $4 each. This is going to really be perfect for all of my EPICURE spices. I have tons. I'm definitely going to need more than 2, but this will kind of get me started, at least with the ones that I use the most. But again, Amazon does have some amazing things if you wanted a different color, if you were hoping for something a little bit smaller or maybe a little bit larger. They have many different types. So definitely you guys check it out. I will leave the links for you guys on the bottom. Don't you worry. So those were kind of the main things that I did purchase. I have a lot more to show you actually, but I'm going to leave it as a surprise for when I do the actual organizing in March, okay? So who wants to organize their kitchen with me, okay? Let's do it. Let's be accountable and let's just do it, okay? So let me know if you guys have any questions. I will be posting all of my pictures inside our group on Facebook, so check it out and I will see you guys very, very soon. Thank you so much for watching.